In this video, we're going to show you how to perform a battery replacement on your Subaru Legacy located under the hood. With the hood open, locate the battery on the driver's side of the engine compartment. We're going to use a 10mm socket to loosen the cable on the ground terminal. Okay, give that a little wiggle, twist it up, and set it aside. Remove the positive cover, 10mm socket. And loosen that. Give it a little twist. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the nuts on the J-bolts. Good, remove the J-hook. Go ahead and grab that battery, slide it out. You can leave this other J-hook on the side, or you can remove it. Take your inboard J-hook and install that. Go ahead and lower that battery down into the tray. And go ahead and take our J-hook here. Get our battery brace on there. I'm going to go ahead and get one of the nuts started on there. I'm just going to go ahead and thread this down as far as I can with my hand. That's going to keep that J-hook from coming undone and falling over. Install the front J-hook. Let's go ahead and gently snug these down. Now what we want to do here, just make sure that the battery is secure. You don't want to over tighten this and crush the battery. All right, battery is nice and secure. We'll go ahead and use a bristle brush here, clean the terminal on the battery. I want to make sure the inside of this terminal is clean as well. Pop that on. Let's go ahead and snug down the positive cable. And when tightening these down here, you don't want to over tighten it, as you can break the clamp itself. So you're going to feel it get snug. Go ahead and grab that cable, that terminal end, and give it a little wiggle. Make sure it's solid. We're not moving at all, so that's perfect. Go ahead and get your cover on there. Use your bristle brush. Go ahead and clean that terminal. And you also want to go ahead and clean the inside here. Go ahead and slide that on. And go ahead and snug this down. And when tightening this down, you want to make sure that it's good and snug, but don't over tighten it, as you can break the clamp. So you're going to bottom it out. Go ahead and give that a wiggle. We're nice and solid. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.